Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. The Helix AR2 is an 800-kilogram amphibious robot with a central turret. It's an autonomous field robot designed for gathering critical data in hazardous conditions. The machine has been upgraded and adapted to function as a robotic platform, specifically for environmental monitoring and tailings pond research. The robot is perfectly suited for various landscapes and seasonal conditions. Introducing the latest member of the Scania family, Axle, a fully autonomous conceptual truck without a cab. You may wonder why it looks so unconventional. Well, the reason is simple. Various industries are striving to optimize transportation tasks and make them more sustainable, thus creating machines with modular systems. The Degelman single roller has been specially developed for specialty crop producers, who find standard machines of this design too large for their farming operations. The LRX51 is therefore the ideal solution. This machine is hydraulically foldable so that it can be easily converted into a narrow transport machine. The HOuse 160 is a robust and powerful 160-ton hinge hitch loader, renowned for its exceptional loading capabilities in heavy-duty applications. When it comes to loading a drill, the H160 truly shines. This formidable loader boasts a range of features that ensure smooth and efficient loading operations. Its high lifting capacity and impressive reach allow it to handle large drills effortlessly, minimizing the need for additional equipment or manual labor. The loader is equipped with advanced stability systems, ensuring secure and balanced operations even when handling heavy loads. Let's move on to the trencher and carefully examine this tooth predator. In reality, this equipment is quite harmless, even though it offers one of the highest horsepower and the greatest digging depth among all Vermeer trencher. Just look at how this machine cuts trenches for water, gas and sewer lines in a new residential complex in Las Vegas. Watching the next video, you can confidently say, "Now I've seen it all." Yes, indeed, my friends, before you is a hydraulic brick press machine. This marvel of technology consists of a main machine, a hydraulic unit, an electrical console, a concrete mixer, a concrete dozer, a stacker, a mold, and a transmission system. The intelligent design allows the machine to work smoothly and efficiently. Revolutionary dimensions. Cenoboggan 895i Hybrid impresses with its operational weight of around 420 tons and a reach of up to 40. It's a true giant of port loading and unloading machines with impressive capabilities when it comes to handling scrap metal and coal. And the dual green hybrid system makes the world's largest material handler even more efficient. The Wood Terminator tractor chipper that comes with the new John Deere tractor is a dynamic and flexible business. This is the brainchild of a brand that offers cost-effective solutions for farmers and foresters. The one-piece planetary gears and drives their machinery are powered by oil engines and a closed-loop hydraulic unit. It's thanks to this approach that all the machine's mechanisms work powerfully and at the same time very smoothly. Stone collecting machines have long become one of the most crucial tools in the global agricultural sector, making rocky land suitable for cultivation. This stone collector picks up stones from the surface of your field, reaching depths of up to 30 centimeters, while also performing soil cultivation tasks. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.